Here are the 3 timbers or slabs that I cut off. What's up YouTube? Chris here from Highland DIY. Today we're going to be doing some chainsaw milling. Here is the chainsaw we're going to be using. POULAN Pro 50cc with a 20-inch bar. I have an Oregon ripping chain for it. 72 LPX 070G part number if you're interested in it. We'll get my homemade chainsaw mill attachment bolted on and we'll get started. Here is the mill attached to the saw. You can see it's just a simple saw guide or a jig. If you're interested to see how I made this, I do have videos on my channel going through the process of making this. So here's the log that I milled a couple slabs off of earlier this year, which I have videos on. It's been covered all summer long, so it should be dried out by now. Here's the slabs that I cut off of it to kind of square up the edges. I have the chainsaw mill set 2 1/4 inches off the bar to compensate for a 1/4 inch kerf from the chain. So we'll get the camera set up, saw started, and we'll start milling up some slab. Here's the first slab off the top. Here's the finish cut with the chainsaw mill. It's kind of rough sawn lumber. second slab off. Ran out of gas in the middle. Hopefully we'll get enough slabs out of here to make a dining room table. I think 2 or 3 more and we should have enough. Okay, so there's the third slab. Probably gonna have to quit because the chain's getting a little bit dull. When you cut slabs with a chainsaw mill, you're supposed to re-sharpen your blade every couple slabs you cut off, and we're running out of light, so by the time I get the chain sharpened, it's gonna be too dark to film anymore. It really seems to be a fine line of how fast you push your saw and being able to keep your RPMs up. Once you get to know your saw and know how fast it cuts with the chain that you have, I think it'll get a lot more productive. Here's the third slab. Not perfect, but this is the first log I've ever milled with a homemade chainsaw mill. Here are the 3 timbers or slabs that I cut off. I'd say probably 20 minutes total for all 3, maybe a little longer because I had to stop and put fuel in. They are about 5.5 feet long by 11 inches wide and 2 inches thick. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them, and we'll see you next time.